In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get meeting transcription without recording on Teams. A lot of people want the benefits of a transcript, but they don't necessarily want or need a full meeting recording. Maybe your organization has strict recording policies, or you just prefer not to capture video. The good news is, Microsoft Teams lets you turn on live transcription by itself, as long as it's enabled by your IT admin and available on your plan. First, when you're in a Teams meeting, look for the meeting controls bar that runs across the top or bottom of your screen, depending on your layout. This is the same bar where you find your microphone, camera, share, and more options. We're going to use that More Options button, which looks like 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots to open the menu. From here, you're looking for an option related to transcription, usually labeled Start Transcription. If you only see an option for recording, or you don't see transcription at all, that usually means your admin has disabled it or your license doesn't support it. In that case, you'll need to reach out to your IT team and ask them to enable meeting transcription. If you do see Start Transcription, go ahead and click it. Teams will show a notice to everyone in the meeting letting them know that transcription has started. This is important for transparency and compliance, so make sure everyone is aware and comfortable before you proceed. You can give a quick verbal reminder, for example, I've just turned on live transcription so we can capture notes from this meeting. Once it's running, you'll see the transcript panel appear on the side of your screen. As people speak, Teams will convert their speech to text in real time. You can follow along during the meeting, which is especially helpful if you've got a lot of detailed information, or if participants have different accents or audio quality. Remind participants to speak clearly and avoid talking over one another. That will improve the accuracy of the transcript. If at any point you no longer need the transcription, open the same 3-dot menu and choose Stop Transcription. This will stop capturing new text, but everything that was already transcribed will remain available after the meeting ends. When the meeting is over, the transcript is usually accessible from the meeting chat or the meeting details in Teams. From there, you can review what was discussed, search for specific keywords, and, depending on your organization's settings, download or copy sections of the transcript for your notes, minutes, or follow-up emails. And that's how you get a full meeting transcription in Teams without ever turning on the recording.